Hi there. So today, we will discuss 3 multiple ways to install a Blogger template on your Blogger website, and the last one is removing junk data from Blogger, which is a time saver. As you can see, there are multiple steps to install a Blogger template. With these screenshots and demos, you can follow the instructions to install the template file. Now, first of all, download the template file. As you can see here, this is a zip file, which we will unzip. You can use any RAR or zip file extractor. By default, various devices already provide an unzipping feature, and the main file is .xml, which is here. Now, we will upload this file to the Blogger theme section. By clicking the down arrow, you can see the restore option, which means upload the template file. Now I have selected the template file. As you can see, the template file has been uploaded. Let me show the layout, where you can see the template has been installed successfully, and these are the widgets and sections of the template file. As you can notice, there are multiple types of duplicate widgets has been created automatically when we change template from one template to another, and removing these widgets become very hard work manually. What we can do this automatic with help of junk data remover steps. Here is a step for removing junk data. First of all, we need to download a blank template file by clicking on this download button. Then, you can open this blank template file in Notepad editor or Visual Studio, copy the code, and paste it into the Blogger theme section. Here is the main template file code, which we will remove and paste the blank template file code. And the code has been pasted successfully. Now you can follow 2 steps to upload the main template file code again by directly uploading the .xml template file or manually copying the theme code. Now we will reinstall the main template file code again in the Blogger theme section. Here you can see that I have copied the main theme file code through Visual Studio, or you can use the Notepad editor. And paste this code into the Blogger theme section here. And the code has been saved successfully. Let me show you the layout of Blogger, where you can see there is no extra junk code, or extra widgets, or sections have been automatically removed. Your template is clean. So this is the easiest method to remove the junk data and install the Blogger template file. Subscribe to our channel for more tips.